Adeshima Maya Mawina, Jocasia Boy, and Sakan and Yumrina, de Bremo, yet free ship house, Abeka Junction. Accra, yet one man, no baby, I will share a free beer, and Yumreka see boy. Dear Edimo, I couldn't be any say, a jab bow, a ja, and ya Barbie Drew. Ora, Sam George, Eddie two, a just say, dear, Yamia Dom, DSTV once and seminal, or my Timino or what's not say, Ama a nay, or man for Babinya 33%, 50% increase in value, not just say, and you might Baby Quay, she say, because we know October, yeah, Baby Remy, and a bassasa.
Sasoa na Honorable Sam George Sandy to just say one more for Kuntuna say a day DSTV decoder no or movie free Nigeria ebe PMU ewo my Ghana no sabi obabe tu almost so sapa
na aban baba ye enhyehyɛ papa ama de ye friend of free primary health care dwumadie no atimi akoso wei eye first lady ene de atodwa ewo America bridge memu abra dwumadie sonko bi ekoso.
New Patriotic Party akensi so say we share gold for oil program or ye na ewie pay your pa ehunmu fine so ededi said the Imani Africa the abetu just say leakages be ekokoso no wose no krebiasa enyo
mampanyi abedi akire Professor Jane na opoku agiman wakwa kopie mu asantemantam mu a wo kyese mamponten edwa no a wo mo agasi wo saa no wo mo bewie ama omanfo akotene mu na wo mo adidwa
ewiase nyina da watu esi ho a wo de bo akoma ho dawru no eye World Heart Day no Ghana so odibi ewakra
SMP ka ho ne de bremo ewa nwumre kase ebo mu n'enyuma ko bi wo mo na aso asene ama ye de bremo
asada kese nkoma best point saving sem no ne best assurance for sika sem no insurance won sem nyina ekodan wo musaso na YouTube data salt eye nchine pa me kan form obibia ewa fiefie mu this way chocolate drink you we here any ice no so na say unso share saso and a special ice mineral water eye abuju so papa e maybe mpe wo fie da
Midi edi akosi asapon mene
abena chei watch
afeyera ensem no emu DSTV ene ahweye a wo mo ehwe wo manyi se ye kan kitamudie so ene eneyi se de enyoma esi ekoso a ententa homa so ene ne yekeka ho nyina no wo mo di nkita ho ache ema enumpo onwonyafo Sam George a wo no ena wo ye wosoafo a wo hwe eso no se de na Ghana fo ani abreka che ne se wonye bibi mfa ho ewo mu abose na ode ba kwa ba betum ewo mu a na wabeka ye be yesei ensoso na bibi anyansi ye ene de ejebo wanya bedru wone nsentwerofo akasa nsentwerofo ne omukasa ye no ena wo ka de ato omanim se nsentwerofo emu nkama ne nto Ghana fo nyina se sesi de DSTV fo ye ne wo mo asinkonwa ya jojo wie ye no wo mo de ababetu edwa se wo ha mu nchichemu aduasam yensa 33% ekọ wo ha mu nchichemu aduonum 33 ekosi 50% increase ewo dodo a wo to ewo DSTV so no sese wo mu ebenya sa 33 ekosi 50% no enti wo kyerese sese de ba bia aduro no na kyerese emu ya no na wo mu asan ahwe ehu nnwuma ene se de besi aye nyina enti sa bread de efiti ase nyame ya adomo a busome na ye kwa akowura mu na wotwi ya mu ye kwa akowura mu no ena wo mu efiti ase ama no aye adwuma.
The committee considered the issue of cross-border piracy of DSTV decoders from Nigeria into Ghana, which has for years deprived the state of tax revenue. It's transferred jobs from Ghana to Nigeria, denied unsuspecting customers, deliberated on the pricing of the DSTV service, considered various factors, including the cost factors, the macroeconomic environment of Ghana, subscription volume trends, among others, and discussed and provided input on several options considered by MultiChoice Africa and arrived at an outcome that will deliver better value to all subscribers in Ghana. MultiChoice Africa has committed to implement an unprecedented increased value offer only in Ghana, and I repeat, only in Ghana, which will result in Ghanaian DSTV subscribers getting more services for less. Depending on the DSTV package or bouquet you use, subscribers will get between 33% to 50% more value. The new arrangement, effective from 1st October 2025, are as follows. For those who are on the Paddy Bouquet subscription, you currently pay 59 Ghana cedis. When you pay 59 Ghana cedis, you get upgraded automatically to Access, which is valued at 99 Ghana cedis, and you get 35 more channels. This represents a 40% savings if you were to pay for the Access yourself. Second bouquet, Access, currently going at 99 Ghana cedi. If you retain your Access bouquet at 99 Ghana cedi, MultiChoice will bump you up to the family bouquet, which is currently priced at 190 Ghana cedis. You get 19 more channels, which means that if you were to stay on Access and get bumped up, for the value you get, you make a savings of 48%. If you're on the family package, which is currently valued at 190 Ghana cedis, DSTV will automatically bump you up to Compact, which ordinarily goes for 380 Ghana cedis. You get 22 more channels and actually get access to live football matches. So anybody on the family package, which previously didn't get live football matches, would automatically get live football matches. The value savings on this, 50%. Compact, currently going at 380 Ghana cedis, gets bumped up automatically to Compact Plus, which is priced at 570 Ghana cedis. You get 12 more channels in addition, and the value savings, 33%. Compact Plus, valued at 570 Ghana cedis. You pay that, you're automatically bumped up to Premium, which goes at the price of 865 cedis. You get 18 more channels and a value of 34%. For those who remain on their Premium bouquet, which is priced at 865 Ghana cedis, you will still get all the content on the Premium flagship, the flagship Premium bouquet, but you also get an automatic entry into the competition for the chance to win a fully paid trip to watch selected English Premiership games. But this is, as well as you know, subject to terms and conditions. There is no restriction on a subscriber's choice of a bouquet. The offer is available to both existing and new customers from 1st of October 2025. Effectively, MultiChoice has offered value over and above what we expected of them. I went into this with a request for 30%. With what we have discussed here, the lowest is 33%, the highest is 50%. And I extend my warmest gratitude to the MultiChoice team for that.
Honorable Samnate George Ede Ensemi Atuja Wabra na wochechi mu se woni DSTV mpanyimfo edi enkitaho na wo mobuo no wo mateso eno no woche mu se aban edi esi nani so se wo mo a wo mu free Nigeria fa kuntu na se edi DSTV decoder eboru oman Ghana musabre oba betu wo mo so sa Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation Honorable Samnate George was say sadie we ye ohawa ada ho no macha enedie eho aba sese wo mutimi etu sankrofo yi esosa no mo pe ho pomesibre no ne nsamhwefo edi ahia wabra wo mo enkita hodi wo mo di se wo mo review DSTV ebo no na wo de sansemi etudwa.
The committee considered the issue of cross-border piracy of DSTV decoders from Nigeria into Ghana, which has for years deprived the state of tax revenue. It's transferred jobs from Ghana to Nigeria, denied unsuspecting customers of good customer service, and is actively working towards the decline of the Ghanaian local content creation space. To address this, the committee has recommended the establishment of a working group with representation from the Ministry of Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, the National Communications Authority, the Cybersecurity Authority, the Ghana Domain Name Registry, the National IT Agency, the Customs Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority, the Ghana Police Service, MultiChoice Africa, and MultiChoice Ghana. I will work with the heads of the above agencies to establish the working group in due course to comprehensively tackle this issue of cross-border piracy. We must never be afraid or run away from paying taxes as responsible citizens. Our concern must be what our government uses our taxes to do. And that's why we have the opportunity every 4 years to change the government if we think they're not managing our taxes very well. If you're a Ghanaian and you use what I call ghost boxes, the boxes from Nigeria, you do two things. You deprive the Ghanaian shareholders and owners of MultiChoice Ghana from revenue because you're paying to the Nigerian owners of MultiChoice Nigeria. But more importantly, you deprive your own homeland of tax revenue. Because in what you pay to the Nigerian, for the Nigerian subscription, is tax to the Nigerian government. You don't expect the Nigerian government to come and fix your road or connect water or electricity to your household. You don't expect the Nigerian government to come and give you health care. You expect the John Mahama government to do that for you. You cannot work in Coca-Cola and at the end of the month go to Pepsi for your salary. For every one legitimate DSTV box in Ghana, we have so far deactivated 5 from Nigeria. That should give you concern as a citizen. If this doesn't worry you, then your citizenship should be revoked. Because any true Ghanaian will ask yourself what kind of damage we are doing to our own country. And so yes, the stakeholder committee we've set up is actually going to work with MultiChoice to step up enforcement. We will come after every ghost box, we will deactivate them, and we will block them. Because now with the new pricing, you really have no excuse. Buy a Ghanaian box or reconnect your Ghanaian box. In fact, with this one, I expect that everybody who had a Ghanaian box that they had put somewhere, dust it off, call them from 1st of October. 1st of October is on Wednesday. So from Wednesday, call. I just hope MultiChoice will have enough call center operatives because I expect to see a bump in people calling to reconnect their Ghanaian boxes. Be Ghanaian.
Yet also Ediana Ghana ba penny me first lady. Wakopie mu America bridge me mu New York ho na United Nations General Assembly no ekoso. Na eno na ono nso so yenim se oyo obi a ni dwuma wo die wo Ghana ha pa empo na ni kunu meye mampanyin emfie nwotwe bi atwam no ni dwuma na odie ene so okwa yaresabia ahodo no akọhwe mma na maternity ward na osi adan na wo boa wo mennioma ne aka de ebeboa titru enkwada ye wo mu na eno na okopie mu no ade a foundation mienu Africa Development Foundation na afei Helping Africa Foundation for womo ahyede sinkonwa aye fundraising na womo de eba beboa Lordina Foundation said ye be ya wo betimi akoso a aboa ntotofewa womo ayanyem womo ye bewo womo omusa na no eno de atodwa abra wogina simpie so chese sese no free primary health care dwumadie no womo de eba afei ye ka community hospitals anase apomden atena ya hodo a wo nkronkuma mu no a womo ba be pijam said ye be ye no betimi aboa ama ye ka apomden ho nsem a obi atimi anya esubi emfaso a ebeboa ewo ye dada sitinemu.
The government has announced plans to implement a free primary health care program for all Ghanaians. This will come with the provision of cheap compounds and health centers in our communities to make access to health care easier. With your support, the Lodina Foundation is now stepping onto a truly international stage by creating new external networks. This means expanding our reach, forging new global partnerships, and amplifying our capacity to touch even more lives, not just within Ghana. Tonight, as we look to this future, we are not just asking for pledges. We are inviting you to become integral partners in this expanded vision. Your generous contribution tonight will directly impact our upcoming projects, allowing us to build more walls, support more clinics, empower more women, and provide clean water to more villages. Every help you give is an investment in human dignity, in a mother's safe delivery, in a child's health, and in a woman's economic freedom.
Wuswa ejina Ghana ba penyine na kache na broko pie mu wo eye America no na eye foundations mienu omo kabo mu eje entoboade aboa eye Lodina Mohammed's Foundation no eho ena Ghana ba penyine ende ne kasa etu dwa wabra wo bi adwumede na no odi tu dwa se ne foundation ne de ewo ho no ma se ohawa hodo a eye apemfo edi wo mu enya no eno pa ena nani kire ene emofra anso ayawo wo mu agya totofefe a wo mu ni kamafo no eno ne no nenam so emadwumede na se titiri ne ani ntire wo mu ka bi wo mu ene Ghana fo a wo mu ti amana no wo mu nyina ebihia wo dwumede na se.
With your kind support for the work of the Lodina Foundation by your presence here tonight. Thank you for taking the time to support me at this event, organized by the African Development Foundation and the Helping African Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lodina Foundation was founded in 2013, taking over from my previous organization, ASWAP. Over this short period, which feels like a lifetime, the foundation has been a beacon of hope, reaching out to the most vulnerable in our communities in Ghana. Through our projects and charity work, we have made a significant contribution to supporting countless individuals and families. We have managed to give hope back to many who had once given up. Our greatest reward is not measured by figures, but by the smiles we put on the faces of those we help and the change in the conditions of the communities we assist. This is why Lodina Foundation is motivated by a single mission: to restore hope and empower life, one family, one community at a time. My brothers and sisters, when I began this project, my husband and his party were in opposition. He was not the president of Ghana. We could have minded our own business. But John agreed with me that these are essential needs for our people. And with his support and that of friends, we constructed our first model 45-bed maternity and children's ward at Bole District Hospital in the Savannah region. We have since constructed 3 state-of-the-art maternity and children's wards in Bole, Nkranza, and Bodom. We have also undertaken comprehensive renovations of vital health facilities, including the Hohoi Adebraka Health Center, transforming them into centers of healing and dignity. The model Lodina Foundation maternity and children's wards are equipped with modern equipment and facilities, including a theater, delivery room, NICU, and so on. We donate essential medical equipment to many health facilities across the country, helping improve their capacity to save lives and provide quality care. President Mohammed's administration has responded positively to the challenges.
Adeshima ma yanya abo afọ nkrato emra sisi a ye ba ye beto akase bo no so. Ya mamo akwa abaye to akasebo no eso ana yeko asante mantamu. Mampanya bedi akire eye Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman. Wakopiem wo asante mantamu. Okoye no project ahodo ni bebre wo ho a wode nani kotwa bisi akwa ehunu baabi a eduru. Nano okopiem ewo Mamponten. Mamponten dwa no esi wa kyeriye se ye kasei enkusie entefre emwa enketre wɔn no mu di mu akyeremfiri na no ana ɔkyɛ sɛ de etie bia wɔn ebeye dwa no sɛ de ebeye a wɔn manfoɔ ebetimi akɔkɔdi dwa ɛwɔ
bi ɔhɔ ne office no bebi ɔwɔ no ewia bɔ a ɔnte ensi oto a ohu saa ne yɛn so yɛ pɛsɛ yɛ office no ɛyɛ yɛn so yɛn pɛsɛ yɛ behu yɛn ma yɛn nuanom mba no akansuo toy na kyese enne no onton ade na wonton ade a ne ma no aduane be no ombedi eno ntina edwa asam no ehia yen kese sa wo ba na ohwe no nsa ma no ginigina ho ne banchi no go ewiem na wo sentin su pete kakra ma mi obeye den enti e be sere mu nyina momo yen na yen kyekere oman ne yie na asumdwe emremu enunti na ya bebe gina edwoye ndimi yate enho abakosam na aka bi minister nsoso aka bi ya hyase ache anya hwe na sese nsoe se na nso de yaba enti ye be ne den ye nyina ye bebom say district assembly common fund say special fund say dia won here say nante na bebia emwa wo bia ye kwohwehwe ba na ye hwe say anke beba ha bio na edwa no ye kosoro ye besia ba bio na anka ye wie na anka nya na na anka ye mpene sa na ye dia ne say dia ye ba beto no ye bebɔ modin ye yiye fi ho nkakra na ne nyina so eka ho say ye nyina ye bebom na ye adwenko adwen baako na yetutu anamoy a ebeboa yen aboa ye ma
efihye dumiensa ni mra ye beye adwan ye pa mo nyina mo ko hye high tension ase abo ma trance high tension ase bebre afemu ayare bebre afemu awu ama aye asem kese edayen so Mame, a DSTV a dikese at the Akumaso. Na last year, very much, and a jaffooning in a dreadfooling in a bamiho. And a becatcher me say, Nana, yan day. And I'm sure mobile. Says a few query ye last year. Nasa a banu me ya, memo maba, Janimu, Mabi Dijano. Na be November no and I'm a son die. Na there sumo no the buye ni say ni aye ka kyerem ni say ensa a hyase no sansa no a ebewie mame na aye mwa kakra so say na mi ma ban a ebeba makohun sa a hyase ensa no bewie na nyame ncha de ma seven sa e hyase no sa ensa no ebaaye enti me wa rechem se sa ensa no e hyase no sa ensa no a ebewie enti be tisa wo ba no me hu se me dae so no abem
Yetwa kase no so a new patriotic party amanyo ko de krata bi apia bontene na wo chirichiri mu ese imani Africa fo enhwehwemu bi omode aba betudwa wode eto omanfo nyina enim se eye abandada no MPP aban wo mo abreso na omode good for oil initiative yi ebaaye nti wo mo na wo sa initiative no imani Ghana say leakage bi kokoso na chese ebi sika bi enwunu koye neno na eye mpanyimfo yi de abeto dwa se good for oil program no a wode baaye no we say eye factor wo mudi eto dwa obi epebi emu ahwehwe a obetimi enya se leakages na imani Africa e ka no kure biasa enimo na audited financial statement a Bank of Ghana any bust ede betu ja MPA4 ede eka ho statutory report ni nyina wo ho no ede di pefe say leakages bia ankoso na womo ekan imani Ghana womo ensem na no mu di ncheche mu aba a wo kire say wo susu say 7.2 billion bi wo ho no enwunugu ya womo enhwehwe mu no womo ntimi account na no ena womo so ede aba be kire mu say new NPP ede nkire mu aba say 2024 bust annual reports na ekire mu say under good for oil program na womo 12.42 billion eno cover 29 consignments eno omudi enchemu baye transactions course wo nyina wo ma recording nyina di pefe Ghana audit service for de enchechemu aba omu use IFRS for omu standard and womo de ye womo say December 2024 bust womo depo ho 27.1 million liters of petroleum products ne value na se ni sika sombo pa 289.8 million Ghana cedis. Womo account ya ne wu be hwe inventory records ni nyina wo honom di pefe say bibia enwunu enkoye evidence ni nyina wo honom sa 7.2 billion Imani Africa eche no wose no krebia sa enimo enti munchemu ne de omudi ni nyina aba betodi wose enei wo hye Imani Africa for omo say inefficiencies be so under good for oil no wose wo de munhye mfaso pa boss omo financial position wo say emu peja so ema 2024 398 million Ghana cedis 2023 no mfaso munya 208 million Ghana cedis neche so mu yenya times 2 of 2024 no mfaso free so eba yenko net profit margin no emu peja 30% as in 2024 and so say wo share 2023 ya na 17.7% return on asset ROA no wo so no so mu peja ya pa 15% as in 2024 na 2023 na 9.2 enti sa so we nyina ba good for oil initiative no de papa ebeboa ye wo se wo kire mu aka se dollar no be ma ehu na engina ntini esidi no ehin wo se no kre bia sa enimo se good for oil no mo beboa ma esika sem no egina ye enka sika pudu ebekuru wa America dollar no mu de akwakoto fan wo no ni nyina etutwa ya eno ema yesidi no ehun hare no no mo ka ye nyina na omu ewie bo ne tofa ne se ye nhwe se alleged information na Imani Africa de betu dwa no say no evidence of alleged leakage into omu de tu dwa se bibia se bibia leakages bia anko boss financial performance any omu profitability no improve omu fa so emu peja ye under good for oil program into omu de munchire mu nyina banti we any krata new patriotic party de ababetuja or say the Patriotic Institute new patriotic party nti obia enya bi na won kan hu say Imani Africa nsem na omde ba ebusire mu ka no kure bia sa enim
yet waso ana ye public accounts committee na Abraham Penifo esi enkonwa no acting chief executive officer wo Kolebu teaching hospital Dr. Yakubu Seidu na opanyi yese refund we 113,000 ena wo chese won hwe se odise sika no ebebre oman no na public accounts committee mpanifo a wonum esi enkonwanom ranking member a wo committee yiso Owura Samuel Atamils obisa CEO se ade a wo mo ka kire ne se officers bia wo mo ehweye nti ye nsem mienu ne beto apono so ene se na wo mo ka se wo mo ma wrong medication de ema obi a wo ba beje ayarehwe enipa no a wo mo eka ne saa no na kame ayese wo mafa kweti kwan so na wo ma kyekere de asoa ba ko nso wo mo se nipa no wahwere ne nkwa na wo mo ekofa a efunu no wo mafa nipa foforo na wo mo de ama ebusua no nti kyese eye kabo na wo mo abo man ne saa keke eno na wo mo busa CEO ne se acting CEO ne se anyenye bia asem wo mo ka kyere no no waya na se wonye ya wɔn ma ne 90 days ennefua maako aduokron sɛ obɛhwɛ ama saa officers no a wɔn tu saa anamo no obetumi agye saa sika no de ama wɔn man no.
I'm interested in is you are supposed to recover the money. Those officers who caused this negligence, they were supposed to recover the amount from them and pay to the Attorney General's coffers. Have you done that?
That was the...
Yes or no?
Actually, that was the external COVID team who swapped the bodies. So, so we...
CEO, the answer we want is yes, we have. No, we haven't.
No. Yeah. Actually, we are sorry for exactly what happened, but we haven't still recovered.
CEO.
Yes. Mr.
The
Chair.
recommendation, let me read you the recommendation on paragraph 443. We recommended that the acting chief executive officer should recover the total amount of 113,000 from the officers whose negligence occasioned the payment of judgment debt and same paid into the Auditor General's recoveries account at Bank of Ghana, failing which the acting chief executive officer should pay. Have you done that?
Honorable Chair, we haven't done that.
Why not?
Well, looking at the two situations, both were difficult circumstances and like...
Chief Executive Officer.
Yes, they were...
we give you 90 days to pay this 113,000. Thank you very much. And then show to evidence of that to the auditors. Now, let's move on.
Adesima maya ji abo for gratitude to sumi ni we ba sisi.
Adeshema ma ha say ne de kase bono esie ye kai o se president si chusi. Yay. O sin de won say yesiri. Se enye yi a wa. Untimi nsrem fe o sin. President me pa cha o fa chusi anopa. Fa chusi enwumre. Se de be ye be ma hwehwam no aba boto ho de enye ebe ha adwene etimi so hia president o ahodo store na ewo wachiri ho no ebi wo ho ye won enkwada de ye won panimfo de se ope such a de na wo de be ma wo ba ko school no aye ne kakra eno so owo bi triple action owo herba and owo chalco etimi sra wo store na ewo wachi wo na wonsa ebe ka president ni bi ebusia mata de ehye free clothing palace ewo Accra oni lava ni dim hwe ni wudu lava ni mo wa hwa abrosan na ewo ho no na kope atade ye manta de papa fie number obetimi ni omo akasa eye 0271998313 0271998313
Saso ena de she matade eye Blazers Ghana mamencho netura kwan uko eya shadbutwe Udu Starbite one man one branch. To say the Oko Lakeside no. Eho ena Blazers Ghana ewo into offices in Tadie. Ene baby a wuku bi occasion a wuku bi a kodino. Udu hono mo ene wo blazer, wo pants, and answer wo skirt, ene wo blazers, ines bibia obinya ewo to offices in Tadie na kodine. Blazers Ghana. Friend was 055-3205-261 and answer 0242 675152.
Bidi edi akosi asapo. Mene.
Abenachi. Watch.
Yama mu ni sha adehye.